Come along, come on. Come and sit and please welcome Pham.
Good afternoon, sir. I have some sample here.
Oh, Pham's got something for you.
You don't need to eat it.
Right,
Yeah, yes, sure.
okay. Now, after
So,
Pham, we have Yen. Yes, Yen. And do you know what? Yen is our final Vietnamese pitcher. Oh, how exciting. Right. So, Pham, you ready? Your slides are ready. Pete's ready. Over to you.
Good afternoon. I am Pham Trung Kiên from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So I want to start my presentation with one question. Do your families have the kids, elderly people, or the working people? If the answer is yes, so your family may fight with the potential problem in the bone disease. So the kids and elderly people, they had a tendency with bone because less absorption of calcium phosphate material. The working people can sometimes have unexpected accident that give the broken bone, and the cost for bone treatment is very high. So my solution is calcium phosphate material that's for bone care and bone repair. So this material we aim for to improve the quality of life. Material can be used in the meal supplement and food supplement. Also, we aim to develop for the next step for dental treatment as well as for the orthopedic treatment. So this material, as I show you on the sample here, we can control the particle size from one particle to the granule. And due to our exclusive technology, the morphology of our product is similar with the natural bone on the right and left picture. So compared with existing calcium phosphate material product on the market, so my material we can use in the food and meal supplement, in dental treatment, also in orthopedic treatment. And due to exclusive technology, we can offer the lower cost compared with the other product with the same quality. So the market of calcium phosphate material in Vietnam is very huge. And with the production price around $100 per kg, we can sell up to $500 per kg or up to $30,000 per kg for the granule form. So the advantage of my product is we are the same quality and morphology is similar with the natural bone, and we are the pioneer of calcium phosphate material, and we can offer the lower cost compared with the other product. So we want to ask that we want to transfer the technology to the calcium phosphate manufacturer. Also to enter the Vietnam and Asian early stage market. So we ask for the first rating around $1 million to commercialize the early stage product. So the team, including me in the biomaterial engineering, also professor from material, and one dentist doctor also got the PhD degree in biomaterial, and with the business advisor, Dr. Jan Thompson. So this product can contribute to the social economics of Vietnam because we can offer very low price. So we contribute to the middle and low income people. We reduce the purchase on the national insurance health. Also, we create more jobs for people in Vietnam. So this is my contact information. I hope that everyone can support me to contribute to the economic and social. Thank you very much.
Well done. Perfect timing. Okay, judges.
You say your production technique is a low temperature technique as opposed to normal calcification and system. Do the raw not raw products, the raw materials, are they in Vietnam already, or do you have to import those?
This is a very good question, and this is the trickiest question. In Vietnam, we almost import it from overseas, like from US, from UK, from Europe, from Japan, because we do not produce this yet. So this is high value for the production. So in my technology, we can produce in Vietnam with very low cost. So this is our advantage.
But you already have the raw materials in Vietnam?
Yes.
Okay.
What is it your intention to sell? What's your business model? Are you a factory that produces and sells the product, or are you selling the technology to someone else?
I don't sell the product. I license my technology to the calcium phosphate manufacturer. Because to sell product, this is the big story. I cannot do it alone with my team. So I'm the researcher. So I just have some technology exclusions, and we produce at the low temperature. So that's why the cost is reduced compared with the other competitive product. So we want to transfer this technology to the calcium phosphate material.
So you talked a little bit about your technology. Is it novel, or are similar technologies exist in other countries?
I think this is the novel technology because you know that the other product from other company, they get calcium phosphate at high temperature. But remember, our bond is forming at the low temperature, 37 degrees for 9 months. So my technology, it might miss the formation of the bond. So we do it at the low temperature. That's why the cost is very lower compared with the other product. And the morphology is similar with the natural bond. The other products from the other company, they don't have the morphology same as natural bond. So my calcium phosphate material can be easily absorbed by the natural bond, and we can make the bone healing faster.
Okay, that kept them quiet. Well
Thank you very
done,
much.
fam. Thank you.